The Bitcoin is slowing down, but as expected, the alt season just started. Where we will be taking our profits, you will find out in this video. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Samo from My Crypto Paradise. So as you remember, one day ago I told you the biggest alt season is coming. I told you others dominance is exactly at the bottom. Here everybody was scared the altcoins will drop more, right? But I told you, look ladies and gentlemen, the probabilities are right now extremely high that this is the bottom and the beginning of the biggest alt season. This is just the beginning. And as you can see in others dominance, we just got this killer candle right from the bottom area, which I've told you about in the previous video. That is why with Paradise Family VIPs we have went for it, for this opportunity absolutely aggressively. As you can see, 18% on a spot exchange. Polygon, another trade, beautiful risk to reward, right? 20% already just on spot without any leverage, right? EOS, absolutely wonderful, 20%. And we are still not taking profits, we are just securing, and there is even more, which I have not screenshotted from our Paradise Family VIP. We are not playing with a high leverage at the moment. Just with scalping members we have taken one trade LDO with a nice leverage, and as you can see we are 120% up, but we are playing it very safe. If you want to maximize your profits safely in this cycle, you are already in Paradise Family VIP, so you know how we roll. We are always prepared for any sudden crash. We know exactly what we will do if that happens, and we always leverage our opportunity based on it. So right now what's important to understand is that, as I have told you in the previous video, the Bitcoin is slowing down, right? We are at this Fibonacci keep supply zone. This is already the overextended E wave, and I told you this is a high probability time to get out of the Bitcoin because it is gonna slow down, and we are trading in this kind of bearish price action. As you can see, the comparison between Bitcoin and gold was explained to you in the previous video. We have been talking about how Bitcoin is following the gold's trajectory, right? So right now, just quickly, I will repeat it for you. We are right now at the Fibonacci retracement zone from where Bitcoin started to decrease, right? And went back towards this falling wedge bottom pattern support zone. So there is a high probability that if Bitcoin starts to crossing this moving average as gold done before, we will have that correction towards around $77,000. But what is important to understand, that we understand the Bitcoin is going down and consolidating, so some money are going out of the Bitcoin. But what is important, what I have explained to you in the previous video, that's why we are aggressively taking actions on strategically buying the best altcoins, is that the money are not flowing from the market, right? So I told you the Bitcoin dominance will go down, right? You remember that from the previous video. The Bitcoin dominance will go down. However, the money that are leaving Bitcoin are gonna stay in the crypto market. Look at that. This is the crypto total market cap index, and I told you in the previous video, because we are shifting this previous resistance into support, we are gonna keep on rising towards $3.5 trillion. You know that, right? I told you when we were at $3.1 trillion, we will continue towards this resistance if we can turn this into a support, and that's exactly what's happening right now. So what's important to understand is that the Bitcoin dominance is going down. That means the money are flowing out of the Bitcoin, but the crypto total market cap keeps on rising. What does it mean? New fresh money are flowing into the crypto market, plus the money from Bitcoin are going to altcoins, as you can see. Also, I've been explaining the USDT dominance being at resistance, and we will go down towards this support right here. That was another confirmation that really we are about to start the biggest alt season you have ever seen, and this is just the beginning, ladies and gentlemen. So this was the reasoning why with Paradise Family VIPs we have went for it aggressively, because we always shift from defensive strategy into aggressive strategy when there is the bigger edge for us. Yeah, that is why we have been able to survive all the bear markets since 2016, and that's how we remain consistently profitable, just because understanding the context. So we understood the context that there is a higher probability that the altcoins will go right now to the upside, and based on this context we then prepare our trade. So we then take a look what's going on chain, on the on chain, what whales are buying, which altcoins will outperform other altcoins, and then we create a separate trades for altcoin or Bitcoin. So there will be crashes, ladies and gentlemen. It happened in 2020 2021, it happened in bull market 2017. There will be along the way, as we go to the upside, you know that we are targeting these levels right here. It will not be just a smooth ride to the upside in line like this, right? There will be crashes, and that is why most of the inexperienced traders are losing more money in a bull market than in a bear market. Because of the emotion, because of the greed, people start to get over leveraged in wrong positions. So it's extremely important that your strategy is prepared for this. So where we start getting cautious is, firstly, we will be getting cautious with our altcoins positions once the total crypto market cap reaches that $3.5 trillion. All right, we will start to get cautious. We will also increase our cautiousness and take in profitness once the USDT dominance will hit this support right here. Also, we will definitely be cautious about some lower time frame resistance levels on the others dominance chart, but in the long run, in the upcoming months and in the year 2025, we will definitely be reaching firstly these resistance levels. This is where we will be taking profits on majority of our swing positions, and once this is reclaimed, we will be then targeting this resistance zone right here. But our day trades and scalp trades, we will be managing more aggressively right as we grind to the upside. So we are taking a look on others dominance, Bitcoin dominance also. We really want this moving average trend line to be crossed. All right, we want to see more outflow from Bitcoin into altcoins, and once we start to drop the dominance even more, we want to keep on an eye of what's happening with the crypto total market cap, if it keeps on rising, if it's consolidating, or if it's going down, and based on that we will be taking actions with Paradise Family VIP. So ladies and gentlemen, this was just a quick update. Right now weekly closes are important. Weekly close happens in 1 day, 9 hours, so be careful about that, and I will see you again on Tuesday. If you have enjoyed this video, please, it will make me really happy, smash the like button, subscribe, and if you have some questions, write it down in the comment section below. We are reading all the comments and I'm personally answering to all of them. So see you on Tuesday. Cheers.